Everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever made a payment on the Capitec app and realized it was a mistake? Don't worry, you can cancel certain payments directly in the app. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to cancel a payment on the Capitec app. Let's get started. Before we dive in, it's important to note that not all payments can be canceled. For example, immediate payments for transfers to other accounts are usually final. However, you can cancel future dated payments such as scheduled transactions for a later date, and recurring payments such as regular payments you've set up such as subscriptions. Here's how you can cancel a payment on the Capitec app step by step. Open the app, log into the app using your PIN or biometric authentication. On the home screen, tap the Transact tab to access your payment and transfer options. From the menu, choose scheduled payments to view future dated transactions or debit orders for recurring payments. Find the payment to cancel. So scroll through the list and select the specific payment you want to cancel. Tap on the cancel or delete payment option and confirm your action. Depending on the payment type, you may need to re-enter your PIN for security. If you're unable to cancel a payment through the app, here's what you can do. Contact Capitec's customer support at 0860 10 20 43 to request assistance. Visit your nearest Capitec branch for in-person help, and for debit orders, you may need to stop the debit order and follow up with the company directly. And that is how you can cancel a payment on the Capitec app. It's straightforward and gives you more control over your finances. If this video helped you, don't forget to share this video, like this video, and subscribe for more helpful banking tips.